Okay, so we're going to go over the CTCSS and DCS scanning, tone scanning capability of the Baofeng UV-5R. So I've got this one set up to, on the A side, transmit 110.9, and on the B side, transmit 412 DCS. So on receive, I'm going to have this one transmit. So on a radio where you don't know what the tone is being used, you want to press the menu button. Well, first you want to tune to the frequency in use. Press the menu button, which is going to start you at right there or there. You want to navigate to menu items number 10 and 11, which are R-CTCS and R-DCS. Okay, once you're at that one, you want to press the menu button again, and then press the */scan button. Actually, no, sorry, I'm missing a step. You press the up key, oops, press menu. So let's start over. Go to menu item number 11, press menu again, press scan. Oh, that's my time back over. Press menu. Once you're at menu item 11, press menu again, press the up key to go to 67, then press scan. Well, now, then press menu again, and press scan. See, it's going through the tones now. So it stopped on 110.9, which is the tone that I'm using. If I were to just go all the way to the end, see how it's scanning through them? It'll go all the way back around. However, I'll switch to the DCS side. If a DCS tone is in use, or there is no tone squelch in use, it's going to go through all the way through all the tones. See that? Just went through the whole tone set right there, right about there. It's not going to find it because there isn't one in use. So for that, you want to go back to menu. Let's start from the beginning. So press menu. Use the up-down keys to navigate to menu item number 10, R-DCS. Press menu again. Press the up arrow key. Press scan, or the star key, and when it's going to scan through the DCS codes now. See how it's flying through them. So it says what, 412? Oops. So that's how that works. It is pretty darn slow, but it is a capability that these radios have. So let's just try that in reverse. Stopped on 156.7, which is the tone I'm using. To save that tone, press menu again, press exit. You'll see the CT icon there in the upper left-hand corner. Now when you're scanning, that's going to flash, indicating that the radio is in tone scan mode or code scan mode if you're on DCS. So there you have it. The CTCSS or PL and DCS or DPL tone scan mode. Again, that's menu items number 10 and 11. UV-5R. Now to clear this out, you just go to that menu setting, press menu again to change the setting, press 0 to go to off, press menu, and then press exit. So if you have a DCS tone set for receive, and then you go in and you change it to CTCSS, it automatically clears out the DCS tone for receive. And the same thing, so if you have a CTCSS tone set for receive, and then you change it to DCS, it clears out the CTCS code. It will allow you to transmit a CTCSS tone and receive a DCS tone, a DCS code. See, it's in DCS for receive. It's transmitting CTCSS. It will let you do that. It will not let you have both CTCSS and DCS on transmit, or both CTCSS and DCS on receive. Yeah, so whatever the last one that you did was, yeah, it's this DCS. So if we go to 0, now in the DCS menu, you have to press 0 a couple times to get it to go to clear it out. And with everything set to off in transmit, which is menu items 12 and 13, it's just carrier squelch. Transmit, no tone. Same with, it's just receive carrier squelch. If you have both of these off, you're going to hear everything on the frequency. All right. Thanks for watching.